Hi crafty friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this very attractive and very beautiful Happy Holi card using paper quilling decoration. So I will show you how to create this beautiful background, and this is the card. You can open it like this. So let's get started. For this we need some quilling strips, liquid glue, some inks, blending tool, comb, quilling tool, white and orange color thick sheets, vellum paper or parchment paper, and any stencil. First I am taking this 12 by 15 centimeter cardstock, and using this polka dot stencil I will add some colors. So I am just securing it using tape so that it will stay at one place. This stencil is from Itsy Bitsy, and today I am using distress ink and artistry ink. So using the blending foam I am just creating a rainbow pattern color shade, starting with the yellow. Distress inks blend very well with each other, but if you don't have these inks you can also use watercolors or soft pastels. So the coloring part is done. Now I will slowly remove the tape and see the magic. Isn't it looking very pretty? Allow it to set for some time. Now I am taking this base which measures 31 by 13 centimeters. Now I am just folding this in half. This is having 250 GSM thickness. Now I am connecting my polka dot paper on this. Now I have already added this Happy Holi sentiment on piece of parchment or vellum paper, and I am connecting this paper on top of our pattern. Here I am using vellum paper because I want to put my background very subtle and a pastel look. So I have added this parchment paper. Now I will show you how to create some quilling flowers. For the first flower I am taking sap green color strip and my comb. Just insert it from center and take out the strip from second slot. Fold the top part, add little glue and just secure it. And now just start rotating your strip from top and bottom by increasing the level each time. So I am adding total 7 loops on top and 7 loops from bottom. Now remove it slowly from comb and it will look like this. Pinch in the center and just rotate it. Wrap the remaining strip and I am connecting white strip to make a petal. In the same way, we will add total 9 petals. Now for the center of the flower, I am making French flower. For this I am taking 10 mm peach color strip and folding it twice and making small fringes. So fringes are ready. Now I am connecting half strip of pink color. This is a 3 mm strip and making a French flower. Now open all the fringes and I will connect this French flower in the center of our sap blue flower. So this is done. Now I am starting with the next flower. For this I am taking one strip of yellow and half strip of pink color and making one teardrop shape. In the same way we need total 5 teardrop. So make a flower and add half cut pearl in the center. For the next flower I am taking half strip of pink color. This is a light pink shade and making a leaf shape. Now add 5 petals and add half cut pearl for the center. So all the flowers are ready. Now I'm starting with the leaf. For this I'm taking light green color strip. First make 4 loops in increasing order. Add little glue each time. Then I will create 2 loops on left and right sides in decreasing order. So leaf is ready. Now I will start decorating it. So I have already prepared one tag. I have stenciled it using chevron pattern stencil, and on back side I have added double-sided foam tape. So I'm just removing the liner and I will connect this tag on the base. And now I will start decorating it. So I'm adding paper doily, my quilling flowers and some die cut leaves. Also I am adding this bunch of jute thread just to give a little shabby look. So this is completely done. Now I am adding some sequences here and there for little sparkly look. Like this. So the beautiful and very vibrant, colorful Holi card is ready. I am sure you will try this card very soon. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I am waiting for your comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.